What's going on, everybody? Captain Granite back here again with a brand new season. I hope everyone's doing pretty damn well. You know, all things considered with this whole coronavirus and crap, and I hope you're all staying safe. And you know, I feel weird saying stay home when I'm out riding. It's a little weird. I am out with purpose, not just to film the first video of the year, which I've now done 3 times. 3? 4? 3.5. 3.5. I was testing out a new camera angle at the top of the helmet, and it wasn't working. It kind of gave me vertigo watching it, so kind of got rid of it. Put the mount back on the side, and here we are, back to the old side mount. Anyway, I'm out with purpose. Today's Easter. My wife's grandparents, her Nana and Papa, are not able to venture out of the house, so we're going to go there right now and pay them a surprise visit. We're not going inside or anything like that. We're just surprising them, you know, just showing them that, you know, we're still out here and we love them. So we're off doing that. Yeah, I know times are rough right now. Times are scary. But, you know, just stay positive. You know, this will come to an end, and I'm hoping soon. I'm hoping soon. I've actually been not necessarily out of work. I haven't been going to the office. I've been working from home since about the last week of February now. So I've been home probably about a month now. I won't be back in the office, that I'm told, until May 4th. Sorry, April. Yeah, May 4th. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know if it'll be all said and done by then. I honestly don't think it will. I think we still got another couple months of this. So I don't know. So I'm excited to be back for a new season. I know it's kind of weird. You know, I feel weird being out on the bike during these times because it almost feels like I'm being naughty. I'm so naughty. But you know, I'm working from home, so I don't necessarily have to go out. But at the same time, I want to. You know, I'm going to be safe regardless. But I feel like being on a bike, I'm still kind of self-isolating myself because I'm not in contact with people. You know, I'm staying 6 feet away and all that jazz. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I plan on doing 2 videos a week. I want them to come out Sundays and Wednesdays. I might have to tone it down to just 1 day a week, so probably Wednesdays for the time being until I can get out more often. I have a new front-facing camera. I don't know if it's working or not.
Nope.
I hit the button, it blinked red a couple times, and then it shut off. So chances are with it off, it's not recording. So I don't know what's going on with that. I'll probably have to save that for the next video. But it's right there. You guys can see it on the handlebars. Staring back at me. Kind of a crotch cam. It might stay there. It might go somewhere else. I don't know. I'll have to see how the footage goes. But as of right now, seeing that there's no lights on whatsoever, I'm guessing it's not doing anything. I really should have tested it a little bit more. I mean, I had the time. I guess I just didn't do it. So yeah, what else is new to the channel? I'm using a new microphone. I got a purple Panda mic. Oh, you know what? I gotta say it. We had a really good winter actually for the channel. I only did like 3 videos for my PUBG plays. And you know, granted, it's not motorcycle content. It's just basically gaming, just because I'm a nerd. The channel grew more than I could ever thought. I mean, we're sitting at 700, I think I saw 720 subscribers this morning. Unbelievable. And you guys know me, when I set a goal for the year, I usually only go 100. So say right now 720. I mean, I might up it to say, oh yeah, you know what, I want to hit 850 by the end of the year. It's a very modest goal in my opinion. For a channel my size and the growth I've had over the last 4 or 5 years. But this year I'm taking it a little bit differently because, you know, I've added the extra camera now.
When will then be now? Soon.
I've added the new mic. I want to set a goal that to me is out of reach, but I feel like I can hit it. You know, if I put my full effort into it, and that's 1,000. 1,000 is that pinnacle number on YouTube where you get one of the 2 needed requirements to become monetized again. And that's not what this is about. I don't care if I ever monetize my channel again, because what would I do with it? I'd put it right back in the channel. So hitting that 1,000 in my mind, I mean, I never thought I'd hit 100. And here we are at, you know, 720. It's crazy to me. But I have to thank every single one of you for all your support for the channel. It's what makes me keep doing this. And just thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. In the comments below, I want to know, you know, what do you guys want to see, you know, this year in the channel? I plan on doing at least 1 or 2 talking head videos. I want to do like my helmet setup and what I use for microphone and all that, and how I have it in my helmet. You know, everyone doesn't want those kind of videos, so I want to do one. But, you know, for me and for people that are using a drift camera, a lot of people aren't. So, you know, it's a nice substitute for a GoPro, and you know, it might shed some light on that person that's trying to figure out a setup and they don't know how. I mean, I have a huge list of vlogs I want to do, which are at the office, but I have some of them memorized, so those will be coming out later on in the year. As for challenge videos, I got issued a challenge before the season began, so I will be doing that. However, I'm trying to make it a point this year to not do any challenges, and I'm sorry if that, you know, offends anyone, and I don't mean to take it or project it in that sort of way. It's just I've seen lately in my channel, I just keep doing all these challenges, and those are taking precedent over regular vlogs. And though they're fun and I like doing them, I really want to take a year off from them. So I'm asking just politely, don't nominate me for any challenges this year, just because, you know, I want to take it and be me this year. So I appreciate everyone, and just know it's not anything you did. It's just I want to take a break from the challenges. Other crap that happened to me this year over the winter, I had a little bit of a medical scare. Is that the right? Yeah, medical episode. It wasn't anything like extremely bad. However, I actually had to kind of self-isolate myself just for a little bit, like a couple weeks till I got the test results, and then comes back and I was okay. However, it did open the door for another medical issue. So they took my blood, everything like that, and they go, well, your blood sugar's a little high. And I was like, yeah, you know, I did eat this morning, and, you know, that's probably what's doing it. And they agreed, and then they go, well, let's wait 2 weeks, come back in, and we'll test your blood again. Went back in, I didn't eat, I only had water, and it was 10 points less. And the doctor looked at me and goes, yeah, no, you're diabetic.
You know, diabetes.
And I was like, well, shit. And then they tested my A1C, and that came back at like 9.1, and that's really bad. And I was like, well, that's great. So I've had to switch my diet. I was up to 260 pounds when I went to the doctor. I'm now down to 237, I think it is. Close to 30 pounds. My goal is to be at 215. That's my first goal. And then from there, I've been going to the gym. Well, I was going to the gym before all this corona crap happened. Switched to the keto diet, which I say keto, but it's kind of a dirty keto. But I'm staying away from carbs. I'm down to like less than 23 grams of carbs a day. So that's been helping. I have to thank Ian187 for all his help. I reach out to him every now and again just for helpful tips and insight, and you know, he's always back to me within like 10-15 minutes. It's crazy. The guy's crazy. But yeah, this was I was trying to make it a short kind of like hello video. It's probably gonna be over 10 minutes, but if you're still here and you're still watching, thank you very much for being here on the channel. And I'm gonna make this year the best year I've ever had, and you're a part of that. So I want to say, you know, again, thank you. And it means a lot to me. And I hate saying the word content creator, because I ride around on a motorcycle and I talk. But you watch, you like it, you comment, you share it. I mean, you guys make it worth it. So until the next one, this is Captain Granite, and I will catch you on the next one.